Welcome back to Healthy Journey. I am your host, Bong Lestrilla. I am a terminal cancer survivor who came from the deathbed to complete healing. Please read my memoir, My Miraculous Healing Journey, available on Amazon, and realize that God created a body that can heal itself. We just need to take care of it. I am a certified natural health professional whose mission is to help people have a healthy and happy life journey. Did you know that omega-3 fatty acids, those nutritional powerhouses, can actually boost brain health? Studies show they may improve memory and even combat age-related cognitive decline. Omega-3s are also potent anti-inflammatories, effectively reducing chronic inflammation linked to heart disease, arthritis, and other chronic conditions. Clearly, incorporating more omega-3s into your diet is a smart move for overall well-being. But how do we actually do that? Mindful eating is about truly savoring each bite, taking the time to appreciate the flavors and textures of our food. It encourages us to slow down, eliminate distractions, and pay attention to our food's taste, texture, and aroma. By focusing on these sensory experiences, we can develop a deeper connection with what we eat. This practice helps us better recognize our body's hunger and fullness cues, allowing us to eat in response to our actual needs rather than external triggers. By ditching autopilot eating, we can make more conscious, healthier choices. This means selecting foods that nourish our bodies and support our overall well-being. This leads to improved digestion, weight management, and a healthier relationship with food. When we eat mindfully, we are more likely to feel satisfied and content after meals. Mindful eating, combined with omega-3 rich foods, can be a powerful tool for enhancing our health. Omega-3s, found in foods like fish and nuts, support brain function, reduce inflammation, and promote heart health, making them an excellent addition to a mindful eating practice. In our fast-paced world, distractions are constant. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our attention is pulled in multiple directions. Eating in front of screens or on the go has become the norm. We often find ourselves grabbing a quick bite while working, commuting, or even watching TV. This often leads to mindless overeating and poor food choices. When we're distracted, we tend to eat more and opt for less nutritious options like fast food or unhealthy snacks. Additionally, many people are simply unaware of which foods are rich in omega-3s, hindering their ability to make informed choices. Understanding food labels and knowing what to look for can be challenging. Overcoming these obstacles requires a conscious effort to prioritize meal times. Setting aside time to eat without distractions can help us make better food choices and enjoy our meals more. Educating ourselves about the benefits of omega-3s and identifying good sources is crucial for incorporating them into our diets. Foods like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds are excellent sources of omega-3s. By making small changes and being more mindful, we can improve our overall health and well-being. Fortunately, adding omega-3 rich foods to your plate doesn't have to be complicated. Start by incorporating fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines into your meals twice a week. Vegetarian? No problem. Flax seeds and walnuts are excellent plant-based sources of omega-3s. Sprinkle flax seeds on your oatmeal or yogurt, or enjoy a handful of walnuts as a snack. Remember, consistency is key. Making small, sustainable changes to your diet can lead to big rewards in the long run. Take, for example, the story of Sarah, a busy professional who struggled with digestive issues and low energy. Her hectic schedule often overwhelmed her and found it difficult to maintain a balanced diet. Determined to make a change, she decided to incorporate mindful eating and omega-3 rich foods into her daily routine. She researched and planned her meals carefully, focusing on nutrient-dense options. Sarah started eating meals without distractions, savoring each bite and paying attention to her body's hunger and fullness cues. This helped her enjoy her food more and avoid overeating. She began including salmon in her weekly dinners and snacked on walnuts, both excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These changes provided her with essential nutrients that supported her overall health. Within weeks, she noticed positive changes. Her digestion improved significantly, and she felt more satisfied after meals, reducing her cravings for unhealthy snacks. Additionally, she felt more energized throughout the day, which allowed her to be more productive at work and engage in light exercise, further boosting her well-being. Sarah's experience highlights how small conscious changes in our eating habits can have a significant impact on our health and well-being. By being mindful and choosing nutrient-rich foods, we can improve our quality of life. Remember always to consult your doctor on any supplement regimen. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay healthy in your life journey.